Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is the CAC Oracle. If you are seeing me for the first time, all right. Um, I want to teach you how to create a public portal because you are not a CAC consultant, so you do not have access to an agent portal. You are not a chartered accountant, not a chartered secretary. You are not a CAC consultant. You are not a lawyer. But as an individual, you can do one or two things pre-incorporations on the CAC website by yourself. You cannot do post-incorporations. Once you do registration, you can make amendments to your public portal. Your public portal is limited to registrations, all right? And it is limited to one users. With an agent portal, um, with this is an example of an agent portal. I can have, so look, I have done 310 applications on this portal, and I have other portals where you see thousands. All right, I just personalize this so that I don't have to share it with anybody. So on your public portal, you can only use it for one registration per time. If you try to use it for another person, it will carry the person's details and your details. Imagine somebody say register a company for me, and after the certificate is out and the document, the person's name is there and your name is there. So both of you are the owner of the company. All right, so let's create public portal. Sign up. Right, so there's option of public user. So this, if you are an accredited agent account, so you must be a lawyer, be a chartered accountant, or a chartered secretary, or an administrator. All right. So if you say you're a lawyer, they'll ask you for your ID. So, but for the for public users, this is your option. And if your application is pending or queried, this is where to check the status. All right. So let's just click on continue, proceed. So make sure you fill these details. Fill these details with the details on your NIN, because that is what is going to apply on your portal. Details on your NIN, the details on your NIN, the details on your. So let's take for instance, uh, to you have to follow this video carefully and subscribe to this my channel, because what I'm doing on my channel is, if anybody asks a question in the comment section, I will do a video explaining what they are going through and how to solve it. All right. So I don't intend to create this account, but I want to use it to. Oh, I made this mistake. Didn't notice. Let's give it a username. Let's give it a password. Must be minimum of 8. Minimum of 8. 8. What do you want to do with my password? You cannot, if you can't use the password to access its means of ID, then put your, that's why I said the details you are putting here must tally with your NIN. So put your NIN here, put your NIN here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's dummy figure you get. So Lagos. Sorry. Address is variable, so it's not really an issue. Oh my god. So you click on register, they're going to send a link. Kindly check your email and follow the link to the email address. So once you have confirmed the email address, um, they are going to get back to you, and that will be all. Thank you for watching. See you in my other videos. Having a discomfort.